Hello, friends. Let's make our kitchen together. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a refrigerator. We use a refrigerator to keep food and drinks cold. This is an oven. We use an oven to bake and cook food. These are kitchen cabinets. We use kitchen cabinets to store dishes, plates, cups, and other kitchen items. This is a range hood. We use a range hood to remove smoke and cooking smells. This is a picture frame. We use a picture frame to decorate the kitchen. This is a clock. We use a clock to tell the time. This is a shelf. We use a shelf to keep and display kitchen items. These are spice jars. We use spice jars to store spices and seasonings. These are kitchen utensils. We use kitchen utensils to cook and prepare food. This is a blender. We use a blender to mix and blend food and drinks. This is a cooking pot. We use a pot to cook soups, pasta, and other food. This is a kettle. We use a kettle to boil water. This is a stand mixer. We use a mixer to mix ingredients and make dough. This is a cutting board. We use a cutting board to safely cut food. This is a toaster. We use a toaster to make toast. This is a frying pan. We use a frying pan to fry and cook food. This is a knife. We use a knife to cut food. This is a fork. We use a fork to pick up and eat food. This is a spoon. We use a spoon to eat soup and other foods. This is a plate. We use a plate to serve and eat food. This is a bowl. We use a bowl to serve cereal, soup, and other foods. These are plants. We use plants to make the kitchen look fresh and beautiful. These are stickers and magnets. We use stickers and magnets to decorate the refrigerator. Great job, little learners! Today, we built our kitchen and learned many kitchen words together. Can you remember all the items? Keep learning, keep smiling, and see you in our next adventure. Bye-bye!